DJ Holiday, usual suspect, right? This crowd feels so good on my head right now. Y'all niggas gotta step your weight up. Let's go, Nikki. Since I run the streets and all that, right? It's only right that I bring you the baddest chick in the streets right now.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Southside Jamaica, Queens.
This is a world premiere.
Young Money's on. This ain't is on. Nikki the Ninja, a.k.a. Rap Bitches Step Your Game Up. I'm done talking. I'm gonna let my sister get at y'all. Hope you're paying attention. Let's
I just came out of the motherfucking old school with my Mac notebook with the Pro Tools. Y'all bitches ain't ready for Nicki Lewinsky. Bad whoop whoop flyer than a frisbee. So I'm up them in the way, eat the mangoes. Keep a couple pink toes in my sandals. Got some bangles all over my ankles. Such a star, they say that I star spangle. Montana for picture antenna. I keep 3 hoes, but don't call me Santa. And I'm playing them reindeers and I'm
Alex Mixtapes.